This is Steve Beeson with American Ironworks. Today we're going to show how to properly install the cable choker. The pipe that we're using here will illustrate what the hose will be. We like to come 3 times the outside diameter back up off of where the crimped portion of the fitting is, and then we're going to take 12 wraps of our PVC pipe tape. You can get this at any plumbing store. So what we recommend doing is we're going to lay 12 wraps directly on top of each other. What this pipe wrap tape does, it creates a lip. It creates a lip to start the choking action on the choker. Roll that down like that. Then what we can do is you always want to place your choker right on this side of it. And again, what this tape does, it starts the choking action. If I was going to install this on a hose that's being used every day, in addition to this lip, what I would do is go ahead and anchor it right here, run some more tape here. That way it can never move. If you don't do it this way, the employee is subject to take it off and put it on the fitting side like that. You do not want that. Most failures are going to be between the crimped portion of the fitting and the hose. So again, if I was creating a standard operating procedure, I would put my 12 wraps of tape on there, place my choker directly behind it. Then I would simply lay your spring up like this right here. And just wrap some more tape like this. You don't have to do 12 wraps on this one. And what this does, that employee should never move this right here. This stays with the hose. He can make his connection. Then what we've done, we have several options here. We can put a hook in this area here, or on this particular one, we've sewn a 24-inch nylon. So this here would probably cover any type of anchoring fixture that they would have. So once your employee makes his connection here, he can go up around a beam, come back in, he can hook back into the thimble eye here like this. If his anchoring portion, his anchoring point is on up, he can actually anchor back into the nylon like this here to create a loop. We want to limit the amount of slack in this as much as we can. If you have 20 inches of slack here, when there's a failure, that hose can move 20 inches to the left and 20 to the right. So preferably keep that as short as you can, but you can hook in like this. And again, we also put hooks in this area here. But when you install it, let me see the camera just for a second. When you install it like I have done right here, what this does, that takes out the employee misplacing this, putting this in the wrong area. If you put your 12 wraps of tape here, install your choker behind it, and then you come in here and anchor it here, they should never move that. Then the only thing they have to worry about is properly installing this in here. That may help. Thank you very much.